Let's divide 294 by 2. Hey super math stars, if you're loving this math adventure, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome learning fun. Alright, let's start dividing 294 by 2. Get ready. We bring down the first digit, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, write that down. Now we subtract 2 from 2, that leaves us with 0, easy peasy. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now let's move to the next digit, we're on a roll. Next up we bring down the 9, now we have 9. We look at the 9 and our divisor 2. We're carrying over the 0 from the last step, but it doesn't change our 9. How many times does 2 go into 9? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 4 times. Let's see 4 times 2 equals 8, write 8 below the 9. Subtract 8 from 9, what do you get? A remainder of 1. Woohoo, you're crushing it, that remainder is small, which is good. We're almost there, let's grab the last digit. Last step, we bring down the 4, now we have 14 to work with. We carry over the remainder 1 and combine it with the 4, so we have 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? You got this, it's 7 times. Let's check 7 times 2 is exactly 14, perfect. Subtract 14 from 14, that leaves us with 0, we finished. Amazing job, you solved the whole problem. We've divided 294 by 2, look at that awesome answer. So 294 divided by 2 is 147. We did it! We conquered 294 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every problem is just a puzzle waiting for you to solve. Keep practicing and you'll become a math magician. Great job, everyone! Keep shining and exploring the amazing world of math with Let's Stud. See you in the next video.